Hello students, welcome back to our English online classes. Today in this class, we are going to discuss the question and answers of the lesson The Lost Child. So, first we'll see the questions which are given in the book. See the first question. What are the things the child sees on his way to the fair? Why does he lag behind? So the answer will be on his way to the fair, the child sees the flowering mustard fields and dragonflies. He also sees little insects and worms. He sees doves also. They flew to the banyan tree. He goes near them to get one, so he lags behind. Now see the second question. In the fair, he wants many things. What are they? Why does he move on without waiting for an answer? So the answer will be the child sees many things and wants them. These are gulab jamun, rasgulla, barfi, jalebi, a garland of gulmohar, and balloons. He also wants to ride a merry-go-round. He moves on without waiting for an answer. He knows his parents won't buy any of these for him, so he goes ahead. Now let's see one more question. When does he realize that he has lost his way? How have his anxiety and insecurity been described? So the answer will be he realizes this when he says that he wants to ride in a merry-go-round. He looks for his parents, but there is no reply. He realizes that he has been lost. In his anxiety and insecurity are described in his weeping greatly. He is wailing, calling mother, father. This anxiety is also seen in his clothes getting muddy. Now see the fourth question. Why does the lost child lose interest in the things that he had wanted earlier? So, how you will write the answer? The child was with his parents. He was happy. He had interest in many things. These were a toy, balloon, burfi, etc. But he is without his parents now. He is a lost child. So these things have no interest for him. He simply wants his parents. Now see the last question. What do you think happens in the end? Does the child find his parents? For this question, you can write in your own. Okay. So, the answer will be the end of the chapter shows nothing. It may mean that the child has found his parents. However, in such circumstances or situation, a child is often found by his parents. It is a village fair. In the countryside, kidnapping etc. does not take place. It is possible that the police might have restored the child and given to his parents. So this is your last answer. Now let's see some extra questions. So, so the first question is, why was the child always lagging behind his parents? So you can write in this manner. The child saw a toy shop. He wanted to look at the toys. These toys looked lovely. Then he saw dragonflies. He wanted to catch one of them. When he couldn't catch one, he collected flower petals. These took time, so he lagged behind. So this is your answer number 1. Now let's see one more question. How did the child enjoy in the lap of nature? So you can write, the child enjoyed much while he was in the lap of nature. He passed through the mustard fields and was very happy. He saw flowers and dragonflies. He saw insects and doves and followed them in a happy mood. He wanted to catch them. He also collected flower petals. Now see one more question. How does the child react when he realizes that he has lost his parents? So, how you can write? The child wept bitterly. He cried in real fear. Tears rolled down his eyes. He ran from one side to another in all directions. He didn't know where to go. His yellow turban means his clothes became untidy. His clothes became muddy. So this is your next answer. Now let's see one more question. What is the question? Describe how the child was lost. Now you have to describe it. Okay. So the answer will be, when the child was in the midst of the fair, many things charmed him. Means he was interested in many things. He wanted all the things that he looked at, but he knew that his parents won't buy him any of those things. He wanted to listen to the snake charmer's music. He went further. He looked at various things. In the end, he came to a roundabout, means a swing. So, men, women, and children were riding in it. They were enjoying the ride. They were laughing and merrymaking. So, he wanted a ride in the roundabout. And then he asked his parents that he wanted a ride in that swing. But he did not get any response. When he looked back, he found his parents were not there. He had been lost. So children, this was your last answer. You can prepare notes on these question and answer and write them in your rough copy. Thank you.